Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I thank the Honourable over there for his question. I appreciate the opportunity to update the esteemed House on the recent Memorandum of Cooperation, MOC, signed between the Government of Fiji and the Japan Tourism Agency, which is part of Japan's Ministry of Land, Infrastructure, Transport and Tourism. Mr. Speaker, sir, dialogue on the MOC has started in 2018 and was formalized during my recent visit to Sendai, Japan, representing a significant milestone in Fiji's bilateral relations with Japan. It underscores a mutual commitment to strengthening our tourism sectors through sustainable practices, disaster resilience, and knowledge exchange. The agreement aligns closely with Fiji's National Development Plan, which prioritizes economic diversification, environmental sustainability, and building climate-resilient infrastructure. Under the MOC, Fiji and Japan will collaborate on key areas such as crisis management, sustainable tourism development, and infrastructure resilience. This partnership provides an opportunity for Fiji to learn from Japan's expertise in disaster preparedness and response, a vital area given Fiji's vulnerability to cyclones and other natural disasters. By leveraging Japan's advanced technical knowledge and best practices, we aim to fortify our tourism industry against future shocks while fostering sustainable growth. Mr. Speaker, sir, additionally, the MOC sets the stage for capacity building initiatives, technical exchanges, and joint programs to promote eco-friendly tourism. These efforts will not only protect our environment but also enhance Fiji's appeal as a leading destination for responsible tourism, catering to increased global demand for sustainable travel experiences. The signing of this MOC also coincided with Fiji's participation in the Japan Tourism Resilience Summit, where I had the privilege of addressing Asia-Pacific tourism leaders on the importance of resilience and innovation in the face of global challenges. This summit further reinforced the objectives of the MOC by highlighting shared strategies for recovery, sustainability, and regional cooperation. Honourable Speaker, through this agreement, Fiji is building a future-ready tourism sector that balances economic prosperity with environmental stewardship. By deepening our ties with a global leader like Japan, we are securing not just the immediate benefits of partnership, but also the long-term resilience of an industry that is vital for Fiji's socio-economic development. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Prime Minister Viliame Gavoka.